Let's talk about microservices just for a moment there, because I know there's been a lot of conversation in the community recently about microservices and kind of how that all fits together in the grand scheme of things. Obviously, we're coming at Adobe Commerce as of this point is, I don't know if we could throw a number out, like probably 90% a monolith. I mean, because now we have the product recommendations, we have live search. I think I'm missing one. So we're starting down that road.
Yeah.
But I think one of the big questions is customization of this, right? Because that's kind of one of the big selling points of Adobe Commerce is how do you you can customize anything and everything with you got the code in front of you, and you pretty much can figure out a way. So can you speak quickly to some of that potential concern that at least some developers in the community might have about how customizable is this, or the value that they're getting with microservices that could potentially outweigh the concerns of lack of customization? Does that make sense?
Well, it does make sense. And to be honest, I mean, I would say have a look at Firefly or Adobe I/O. And I think for those out there listening to this podcast, check into the Adobe Live channel. If not mistaken, the 4th and the 5th, there's a developer conference online being supported, being shared. Definitely much more on that. I've just seen it. I haven't played with it, to be frank. But looking at the overall architecture that we start working with and how it would look like from a developer perspective, using these kind of microservices, let's say on a catalog perspective, and the flexibility, not only from a re-index perspective, there's so much to gain on performance level instead of just having the monolith doing all the work.
Right.
If you think about a price update, now the monolith needs to do all the work.
That's right.
If those components will live in that microservices and it's ready to go and to be fetched and served to whatever channel out there, if it's mobile or headless or whatever you'll feel like, that data is ready to go instead of organizing it with Magento.